Hi guys. Okay, so I'm going to try and do a look using the new Jeffree Star lipsticks that I got, the liquid lipsticks. I figured I'd do a Valentine's Day look since, one, it came from a Valentine's Day mystery box, and for two, it's almost Valentine's Day, so why not? Now, I don't know exactly how I'm gonna do it, but I want to try and use DreamHouse as a shadow just because it's so pretty and I would wear it on my lips. But I also think Posh Spice is really pretty, so I think I want to try and wear Posh Spice on my lips and DreamHouse on my eyes. I just have a vision in mind and I'm really hoping I can do it. My house is extremely loud today because my washer sounds like it's about to fall apart. And then my thermos is super loud. And they're just running at the same time, so, you know, that's my luck. I'm just taking a peach tea and kind of getting our little transition shade in there, all along the crease. Might go into cobbler. Or peach cobbler, I'm sorry, and keep deepening it up. Thinking I'm gonna go kind of smoky with it though, like maybe not black, but a fairly decently dark brown, and do like a halo type deal. We'll see. We'll see. I don't even know if the liquid lip is gonna work the way I want it to, but the way it's such a pretty metallic, I think it would look great. I'm going into peach tart and putting it into my crease and kind of just deepening it up, avoiding like the center of my lid. This is like one of my all-time favorite, chocolate dipped favorite palettes, so I am quite excited for this time of year when maroons and pinks and reds are like super in, because I don't particularly like pinks, but maroon is one of my favorite colors, and I love getting to use it. Going into Soda Pop and Abyss from the Jaclyn Hill. Yep, I'm just kind of deepening it up a little bit, and then I really want to see if I can't do this bright pop of color, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, we're gonna attempt this. We're gonna try doing a halo eye, so we'll see if it works. To be fair, they said it was eye safe. They never said you could do a halo eye with it. So, I know Jeffree's brand is vegan and cruelty-free. And speaking of Morphe, he just released brushes through Morphe. How does everybody feel about those? Like, I'm surprised that not all of them are synthetic because his brand is cruelty-free. Like, that was my first thought. I personally, it doesn't really matter to me. I'm not, a lot of people that support his brand are cruelty-free and are not going to want to buy his brushes because they're not. Which makes sense. I mean, if you've built your brand up on this cruelty-free, incentive, how do you expect people to react when your stuff isn't cruelty-free? That actually doesn't look too bad. I definitely don't have a shadow like this, so it's pretty neat. It's probably still drying, but I'm gonna attempt a wing. I know I shouldn't, but especially with this liner. Oh, I had such bad experience with it last time. If you're as bad at doing liner as me, stop here. I'm gonna take a little bit more of Dollhouse because I don't want to lose it completely. Just make sure it's still present. There we go. Oh, she's pretty. Okay, you gotta let go of all the negativity. You can't let it hold you back or hold you down. Yeah? New year, new you. I know this is a lip liner, but I think I want to put it in my waterline. I have never had so much acne in my life. I take that back. While I was pregnant, I had some pretty bad acne, but never as bad as I've been getting it now that I'm doing makeup on a daily. The only good thing about my skin is like my acne, like of course I have it, but like it kind of blends in with my skin, so like even though I'm self-conscious about it, most people can't really see it. I'll be like, oh yeah, I'm totally broke out, and they're like, where? And I'm like, yeah, it's definitely there. I don't know if you're trying to be nice or if you really can't see it, but it's definitely there. I do it on my daily. Okay. Somebody do. What are your guys' plans for Valentine's Day? Huh? We went to Chuck E. Cheese last weekend. That was our plan, which I definitely don't mind. My daughter had a blast, even though she didn't quite 100% understand what we were doing. She liked it. I think next year, when she's a little taller and can see everything without necessarily needing our help, she will really love it. But like I said, she enjoyed it. Like, she had fun. Was she necessarily the best at every game? No. My husband got a little frustrated because you know, she's 2. She got easily distracted sometimes, and he was like, I want her to be able to play the games and have fun, but I also don't want her wasting my money. You know, I don't want her just staring off into space while she's supposed to be playing a game. I'm like, yeah, I understand that, but this is her date. If she wants to waste her money staring at the wall, it's her playtime. I'm kind of digging into this. I'm using all my Jeffree Star products I just got. She's there. I may have put it down a little too far, but that's okay. Sometimes it's okay to have it down that far. I wouldn't necessarily love, like, I don't die for the glitter. But it's not bad. I mean, she's still shiny. We're gonna go into Posh Spice. Ooh, I love it. I'm not sure if it goes with this look. I know he doesn't like Huda Beauty, but like I said, drama don't bother me. This little guy, and I'm going to chocolate dipped. So me and my husband talked, and one of the first things I'm gonna have to buy when I get the money, I say that, but I bet you there's gonna be some kind of makeup item I'm gonna want before then. But one of the first things I really need to buy when I get some money is a ring light, and then the next big purchase after that will be a camera. So just hang in there, guys. I'm trying. Hopefully you like my makeup enough, or at least my personality enough to keep watching and help me out and get me there, and we'll do it. I mean, hopefully you just like my makeup enough to watch, but you know, if you don't, I completely understand. I love you guys that have subscribed just for me. I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.